Laki.
Naging marupo ka na ba?
Naging marupok ako?
Kung
in the past tense.
Wait lang, kita mo yan, kapag inuulit-ulit ang tanong,
Wag, hindi ganyan ha.
Ibig sabihin,
Minsan
parang
hindi
sinasabi
no
nila,
way.
guilty.
Minsan hindi.
See?
You need to digest the question.
Correct.
Ano ibig sabihin nito?
So, okay, puntahan natin. Ikaw ba'y
Naging marupok.
in the last 24 years?
Muntik na.
Muntik na. What stopped you?
Spiritual.
Oh,
That's why it's very important.
Inaalagaan ka ba? Was there a point na nag-complain ka sa pag-aalaga sa'yo ni Mina?
Never naman.
Okay, your turn
But!
now. Okay,
But! Naka-mic pala ako.
Okay, but.
But there was a time kasi, kaya nga ito yung mga, when you watch these Korean novellas, for like 6 hours, 8 hours, the next day another 8 hours, napapabayaan mo yung husband mo because you're ano tawag yung bungee? What? Binge watching.
Okay.
Hindi mo alam, yung asawa mo, waiting for you to have dinner with you.
Are you talking about Mina watching K-pop?
Well, there was a point na she was addicted to that.
Okay.
Wala na ngayong kausap.
At nagko-complain ka?
No, I never did.
You never
but
complained. But
I
you
feel
felt...
like wala akong kausap. Because she was stuck on TV.
Okay, Mina, klaro yung aming kwentuhan ni Zore na nagbi-binge ka sa mga Korean telenovelas. Guilty.
Thank you.
Okay, napapabayaan. At ang sinasabi niya ay pag women should also ask themselves, napapabayaan ko ba ang aking asawa? Kasi ang daming temptasyon.